Hey guys, I'm Jody Fitz. Welcome back into my kitchen and Happy New Year. We are making a Snowman Breakfast pizza. I have pre-coated my baking sheet with a little bit of nonstick cooking spray, and now I'm using, very simply, 2 pre-made pizza crusts. I'm actually using a cauliflower crust. You can use your favorite. If you want to use the fantastic dough that you can find right at your Price Chopper Market 32 store, just follow along in the recipe and I'll tell you how to use that as well. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to baste these with a little bit of canola oil, just a touch. And you know what, they are crossed over, but that's okay because we're going to stuff right under there, so there'll be a little double pizza going on as our snowman overlaps. And then I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of fresh cut spinach. You won't even be able to taste it. I'm using the baby leaf that I went ahead and washed and dried, and then I cut it all up into little pieces. I'm just going to spread that around. Great little addition. Then I'm going to use some scrambled eggs. Here's how I made the scrambled eggs. I actually took 8 eggs and some milk and some salt and pepper, and I put them into a bowl that I had pre-sprayed with nonstick cooking spray. Then I put them in the microwave. Very easy, very simple. For 2-minute intervals, in between those 2 minutes, I took them out to actually stir them up and to make sure that they were all cooked and the eggs were evenly distributed. It took about 6 minutes to do all of these eggs. Now I'm just going to spread these out onto, they're nice and hot, they're fresh out of the microwave. So I'm going to go ahead and get those onto my pizza crust and sort of spread around. Now I'm going to top off our snowman with some pre-shredded cheese. I am using a sharp cheese. You can use your family's favorites. So look, it's starting to look a little bit like a snowman. But now I'm going to add some of the snowman features. I'm using some yellow tomatoes. You can use whatever your favorite vegetables are. I've washed these and cut them in half. They're going to serve as my buttons. Then I pre-cut a little carrot. I'm going to add that as the nose. And then I'm using some red tomatoes. We're big tomato lovers, so you can use whatever. You can use broccoli, carrot slices. I'm going to add some eyes. And then I'm going to add the rest of my tomatoes that I've washed and sliced, and I'm going to make a smiley mouth. There you go. We have our snowman pizza ready to pop in the oven. I have preheated my oven to 400 degrees, and I'm going to let it bake for about 10 minutes. Stay tuned at the Price Chopper Market 32 Kids Cooking Club, where we have more great recipes coming for you soon.